Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website. Today in this video I will show you how to create an e-commerce website like this one you see here in the screen. Okay, we will use a free theme or a free template called TopStore to create this e-commerce website. The home page showed like this. Okay, like we see here, this is the home page. The store page is showing like this. Okay, it's a beautiful pages and a beautiful template. The product page, okay, like this product, we will find the product page showing like this. Okay, so it's a beautiful e-commerce website with simple steps and easy, and with using a free template like I said called TopStore. Okay, great. So before we begin this tutorial, I invite you to visit our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive the future video and the coming tutorial, and don't forget to like this video to support us. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back. So my friends, this is my website and this is how it look your website when you install it for the first time in your web hosting. So to have a website like this, you must buy a web hosting and a domain name, and for this I will advise you to buy it from Hostinger. Okay, this is the web hosting I use. You will find the link of the Hostinger web hosting in the description. Okay, like we see here, the price began from $3 a month, and you have a discount here, and you have also 3 months free. Okay, so this is the web hosting I use. When you buy the web hosting and the domain name and you install WordPress on it, you will find your website like this. Okay, so the next step now, I will install the theme that I will use in my store. Okay, so I will go to the dashboard. Then we go to Appearance and we click on Themes. Here we click Add New, and I will search for a theme called TopStore, like this. This is the theme that I will use in this tutorial. I will click on Install to install this theme. Then we click on Activate to activate this theme. Okay, like this. And here, like we see, we have installed and activated this theme. We click here to get started with TopStore. Then we click on Demo Import, and we install these plugins here, all these plugins. And like we see here, it will be installed and activated automatically. Okay. Then we back here, recommended plugin. The same thing, you install the rest of the plugins like this, and we wait to see all these plugins installed and finished. Okay, it will not take a lot of time, like we see. Great, it's finished. Now I will refresh the page. Okay, like this, and we see here import demo data. Okay, we go down and we click here import demo in this template. Like we see, we have 3 design, but I will use this import demo. Okay, continue and import, like we see here. So we will wait to the finish of installing this template in our website. Okay, is an e-commerce website or an e-commerce template. Okay, like you see here. Okay, the installation is completed or finished. Okay, we can click here to visit the site, and like we see here, in a few clicks and using a free WordPress theme, we have a complete e-commerce website using WordPress. Now everything you have to do is have some changes in this website, like changing the menu here and the widget in the sidebars, and delete the product and the category product, and insert your category and your product. Okay, then customize your website from here. Okay, like we see here, all the setting you will find it here. So in this tutorial I will not explain how to customize this template. Okay, so for the people who know how to use WordPress, it's easy for customize this template. It will not be hard, but if you see that you cannot customize this template, just leave me a message or a comment, and I will try to make another video and another tutorial to explain how to customize this template, okay, or this theme. I will try to explain every details. Okay, just leave me a message or a comment. So I hope this video helped you to have an e-commerce website like this one, like this beautiful one, in a few clicks. Don't forget to like this video and to share it with your friend to support us, and subscribe in our channel to receive the future video and the coming video. See you next time, and thank you.